My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just over 52,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have cruise control as well as voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the touchscreen, using the buttons to the left, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. To the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay as well as MirrorLink, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. The Golf also has 4 different driving modes to choose from. If we press this button here, we can switch between Eco, Normal, Sport and Individual. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.